So hey guys, welcome to the start of this new vlog. I'm sure that it is the start of the vlog because I haven't vlogged since I actually moved to this house, and I still have a couple of vlogs, like 2 other vlogs, my moving vlog and I think house hunting vlog, still yet to go live. And that was when like I was still in my previous place. This is December. Today is December 8th, and I moved to this house since October, the last week of October. So I've been in this house for long, no vlogged and anything at all. So hi, welcome. This is the new background you'll most likely be seeing here. And I just want to do a haul because I went to the market and I came back with a bunch of stuff my mom sent me. So yesterday I was having a conversation with my friend and he was like, I'm always going to the market. And I'm like, no, I go to the market probably once in like 3 months or so. I don't like going to the market. I usually don't have a reason to go, and everything I buy in bulk. So when I buy anything, like I just buy enough that will last me for quite a while before I have to go to the market. But somehow he thinks that I always go to the market, majorly because the only times I pick my camera is when I'm now going to the market. So I now post in probably a short time, maybe a 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks difference, and it now looks like every day I have a reason to go to the market. No dear, I don't always go to the market. I don't even like going to the market, but it's just that it's content. So whenever I go to the market, I want to carry people along, like show you what I got, probably show you the market and you know, all of that. But I even forgot. I did not think about it just because I've not been vlogging at all. Yeah, so I went to the market. My mom sent me, actually. My mom sent me. My birthday is in a day or 2 days, actually. Today is 8th, tomorrow is 9th, my birthday is 10th. And I don't know if I should show it in this part of the blog, but my birthday gift has started rolling in. Yeah. So I think this is also going to be my birthday vlog, but let's start with the haul first. So I've not really figured out what my background will look like or be like, but I'm just winging it. I'm hoping that there's not a lot of distraction going on here. So let's start with this is dirty, but this is so huge. I went like late afternoon towards evening, so I got back quite late. It's actually a couple minutes to 7, and a video is actually premiering by 7 o'clock. So I'm just going to be picking stuff at random. This is just a squishy teddy I got. Yeah, there was another one that was like rainbow, had a lot of colors. I was really contemplating and I was like, should I go with the 2? But I'm like, no. So I got this baby. What should we name it? It's called Berry Special, so let's call it Berry. So say hi to Berry. I'm going to wash it and put it on my bed. It's a very soft and a very squishy pillow. Meanwhile, I got this for like 500 naira. Yeah. Decor stuff. So I got these baskets, guys. The only thing that I didn't get that I'm sure I really wanted to get in the market was, you know, all those plastic fruits that goes into this basket. So my mom actually said to get decor for her. So like she wants to decorate her house, she wants to put more decor stuff in her parlor, so I should get decor for her. So this was what I got 2 of these baskets, this one and this one. These are just fake plants, so I got a couple, guys. I have a lot of these fake plants actually in my cart on AliExpress. I just didn't know where to get or how to get. Then there's this store, Unique store in like Terminus, but things are a bit pricey. Then one day, I think I was just randomly going through, like passing in the market. I was trying to get something and I saw this shop that had a bit of decor stuff. So I branched and I'm like, oh, I just saw this sitting somewhere and I'm like, oh, how much? And it was way cheaper, like half the price in Onibindi. So I went back and guys, it has increased. The prices have increased. These fake plants were like 1,500 or 2,000. The prices all vary. So this was way cheaper than what was in Onibindi. And then I got these 2 baskets, but they're actually empty. So I think they're just going to sit like this in the parlor for the meantime until I buy fruits. I actually went around. That was wasted my time. I went around the market looking for plastic fruits that will go into this bowl. I didn't get. The only place I saw was in Onibindi, and it was like 3.5 for a nylon of some fruits that would not be enough for. It's just the fact that the price of this is times 2. This is like 4.5 or so in Onibindi, and so like I just knew that if I can get it somewhere else, it will be half the price. So I got fake plants. I got a couple of fake plants. There are 4 of them here. Yeah, guys, I'm also expecting a package. Actually, I sent my friend Ken to buy me a couple of home stuff from the UK, and her mom came back with it ever since months, probably almost a year now. I don't even remember the things I ordered, so I just bought 4, hoping that fake plants were part of the stuff I added to my list with Ken, because I've been wanting to have fake plants for the longest while now. I really love fake plants and I just want to have them. Yeah, so I change my brush pretty often actually, so, and I'm using the last one. I don't have any spare, so I got a set of 2. What is this? Okay, my mirror. I have this mirror, this very cute and nice mirror that I love from Miniso, but during my graduation in makeup school, which was like last week, it got missing. I'm hoping that I'll still find it. Like, I'm being hopeful that I will really find it. So I just got this temporary one. This was like 500 or so. So I just got this for the meantime, hoping that I'll still find my mirror at the store. Then this is room freshener or air freshener. I said majorly the stuff I got is home stuff. So this is like a room freshener. It can also serve like a very nice decor piece or something like that, but and it smells so nice. This lemon, like if you put lemon in your house or your bathroom or anywhere, it always smells so good. Excuse my battery is warning me that it's going down. And let me not make this haul too long, so I'll just run through the remaining stuff and not talk too much. I got these. I got 2 silver, 1 gold. I think all these short Pampers grass will sit well in it, but I don't even have Pampers grass. I didn't ask actually, but they would just serve as decor piece. Just keep them like this for the meantime. I got 2 of these. This is actually a room freshener. The lady tells me that I'm supposed to open it here. It's sealed. Open this place and let it make your room smell nice. Then it has the off and on button. So let me see. Let me put off my ring light. See? Yeah, this is it. So, and this was a really nice piece. How much was it? I got these 2 for like 5,000 naira. I think it was a good buy. These breakables. So I have 2 cartons here. I'm just going to open one because they are both the same thing. Give me this. Ooh. So my mom really wants to shop at home. So this is a decor piece and it's quite fragile, but this is it. So this is orange. The other rose is red. I couldn't get the same color. There were 2 red, but my parlor at home is a very deep color. Like everywhere is brown. The couch, everywhere, like the whole parlor is just deep. Every color is deep. So I didn't want to get red. Like everyone would just be looking so dark. So this is orange, and the other rose actually is red. If I had gotten 2 orange, I would have bought, but there was pink and orange and red. I didn't want to take the pink, so I just took this instead. This one and the other one is red. My Android charger, the cord has stopped working, so I just got cord. So I got jewelry. I got a couple of jewelries, and this is a hand bangle. I like this hand bangle, and the moment I bought it, I knew that the moment I bought it and I wore it and I really liked it, I knew that my mom might collect it from me. If she likes it, she will collect it from me. So I bought 2. One for me, one for her. Just imagine that this is what it looks like. I beg. Then these are hoops. This is calling me. I'll call you back. So let me quickly round up. These are earring hoops. This is an earring, very nice, love it. This is another jewelry. This is a ring actually. I got 2 of them, size 7 and size 8. So my fingers are fatter than my mom's. So actually, and my mom really likes jewelry, so this is it. Like it, I love it. She likes rings as well. So I got the size 7 for her and I got the size 8 for myself. Then I got these weird earrings that I thought they were cute. It looks weird, but I think they're actually cute. I don't know. The light is bouncing back. So this is the earring. Then I got one other earring. Where is it? I got 4 earrings. I don't really like huge or dramatic earrings, just simple earrings. This is another one that I think is so pretty. Sorry about the noise.
Good morning. Happy birthday to me. Plangdes, happy birthday. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord cause his face to shine upon you. May the Lord be gracious unto you. May the Lord give you his peace. And may the Lord raise his countenance over you in Jesus' name. Amen. Happy birthday to me. Let's get into the day already. It's 7 a.m. and church is by 9. So I have roughly about 1 hour or maximum 1 hour 30 minutes to leave this house. So, shall we? I slept really late and I got up. I've been up actually since 6 a.m. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. But let's go into the day. Bed or laid. 2 outfit choices, either this or this.
You're not permitted to fall. So hi guys, hello. You've been seeing me in this same outfit because it's my comfortable tee. So hello, it's the day after my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday, today is the 11th and it's actually like 12 p.m. already. So I slept very late. In fact, I was literally sleep deprived on the night of my birthday and yesterday as well. So I slept in, like I woke up late today and all. But I made porridge. There's no vegetable because I decided to make this porridge this morning and I like my porridge with vegetable. But I couldn't go out to buy or anything, so I just made porridge. Because I just felt like I wanted to eat porridge this morning, so. Oh well, the reason why I set up my camera, guys, is to show you my birthday gift. I got like a couple of gifts for my birthday and I'm so grateful. That is it. Very nice, sweet and thoughtful of her. So I got these heels for my mama. Very cute. I like literally love these heels. So she has something like this but not this high, like maybe an inch shorter or something, and I really liked it and I told her I wanted the type of her own shoes. It's mommy but it's like cute classy mommy that even young babes can wear. I know. So I told her I really liked it. I wanted it for my birthday, and so when I went to pick it up I saw this other one and then ended up going with this. They're like the same price and all, but I ended up going with this one. So thank you mama for my birthday gifts. I love you. I'm so grateful and I love my gift. Then I got this. This is also from my mama in Rachel. This is Adire, so I'm going to sew it. Yeah, and we're going to twin with her. Ooh. So yeah, this is the second one. Love my gift. Then the last thing I got is this box. This is it. So it's a purse and shoes. teaching me this cake process wrong. So love my gifts. Thank you. Okay, it just has this strap and longer strap, but yeah, it's cute. Like my gifts. So this and this. this gift is giving bride. This is what like brides used to wear maybe for their engagement, send off party or something. But well, thank you so much. Love my gifts. So these are the things I actually got for my birthday. I got these ones, like my mama's gift, and this one the day before. Actually, I've seen it. Yeah, these are my birthday gifts and I'm grateful for them. Thank you guys for celebrating me. Actually, I forgot to post on YouTube, so I'm going to post on like YouTube community. So I'm going to post my pictures on YouTube today, but make reference to the fact that the birthday was yesterday. So yeah, I am about to have, I wrote down a list of things I want to do today. I have started achieving them. One of it was to cook porridge. I actually thought I'll cook this cooker in the evening, but I'm glad that I did it this morning. And I needed to make a couple of calls. I think I've done that. I need to reply all my DMs. I think that's going to take me almost 2 hours or even more. I have a lot of messages. Yesterday I tried replying on WhatsApp only. I stopped at like 49 or so message. I'm like, I can't anymore, so I just went to bed. And this morning it has almost doubled. I don't even know. And I have so many other, like I have a ton of comments. I've not replied any comments on Instagram or Facebook or any other thing. Not even the DMs. Okay, the day after, I think I've cleared my DMs on Instagram. I'm not sure. But thank you so much guys for celebrating me. I'm not complaining. It's a lot, but I'm so glad that a lot of people want to celebrate me, want to send me goodwill, want to send me love and prayers and all of that. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful, super grateful. And I'll see you in the next part of this vlog. Bye.